everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change profile picture on Discord. So for that, open the Discord application. Once you're at the Discord, you need to tap on the menu icon on the top left corner, tap that, and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. There you need to tap on the profile icon on the top, that is the profile picture. Tap that. It will give you this option of profile user. Here you need to tap on the pin icon in the profile picture. Tap that. It will give you this option of change avatar, delete avatar. You need to tap on change avatar. With this, you will be able to access the photos that is in your gallery. Tap on allow, and from there you will be able to choose the pictures that you have on your phone device. Now you need to choose the pictures from here, and that will be your profile picture for the Discord. You make the edits that is needed over here, and then you just need to tap on the tick mark on the top right. Tap that. This is the preview for how it will look. Here you need to save these changes. Tap on save on the top right corner. With that, the changes have been made. So this is how you can change the profile picture on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.